We have set up advanced AI to work with medical and bioethical project.
Hi, I am a pro-choice advocate.
And I am a pro-life advocate.
I created a debate forum for them and added 10 different AI models to evaluate each response. There are no human emotions involved, only strong arguments. Stay tuned to find out who wins, but please don't skip ahead. We will begin by asking, should abortion be legal or illegal? Now let's get started.
Abortion should be legal because it's fundamentally about bodily autonomy. Women should have the right to control their own bodies, including making decisions about pregnancy. Legal abortion ensures safe access to a medical procedure that will happen regardless of the law, protecting women from dangerous, illegal alternatives. Banning abortion leads to more health risks and infringes on personal freedoms.
Abortion should be illegal because it involves ending the life of an innocent human being. From the moment of conception, a new life begins, and it deserves protection. Legalizing abortion sends the message that life is disposable, which devalues the sanctity of human existence. Instead of terminating pregnancies, we should focus on providing support for both mother and child through alternatives like adoption.
While the moral value of life is important, we cannot ignore the individual circumstances of each woman. Abortion is not a decision made lightly. Forcing someone to carry a pregnancy against their will can lead to severe psychological, financial, and social consequences. The decision must remain with the individual, as one-size-fits-all laws harm more than they help.
There are many ways to support a woman through pregnancy that do not involve ending a life. Adoption is a viable option, and there are numerous resources available today for prenatal and postnatal care. Legalizing abortion creates a slippery slope where the value of life becomes negotiable. Every human being, regardless of stage of development, deserves the right to live.
Adoption may be an option for some, but it's not a solution for everyone. Women must still endure the physical and emotional toll of pregnancy, which may not be viable for those in abusive relationships, financial hardship, or severe health risks. Additionally, not all children find stable homes through adoption, further complicating the argument. Legal access to abortion preserves the right to choose what's best for the woman and her unique situation.
While the challenges faced by pregnant women are real, we must not lose sight of the fact that 2 lives are at stake, both the mother's and the unborn child's. Legalizing abortion ignores the rights of the unborn, who cannot speak for themselves. Instead of legalizing the termination of pregnancy, society should improve support systems and help women navigate these challenges without resorting to ending a life.
It's important to recognize that life is complex, and not all pregnancies are the same. A woman may face severe health risks that could endanger her life if she carries to term. Additionally, pregnancies resulting from rape or incest can cause significant trauma. In these cases, forcing a woman to continue the pregnancy is not only cruel but also ignores her mental and physical health. Legal abortion offers a safe option for women in these dire circumstances.
While cases of rape, incest, or danger to the mother's life are tragic, they are rare exceptions. Most abortions are performed for convenience or as a result of unplanned pregnancies. There are numerous ways to avoid pregnancy in the first place, such as contraception and education. Ending a life due to an unplanned circumstance does not justify taking away the rights of the unborn. We must look for life-affirming alternatives, even in difficult situations.
Contraception and education are not foolproof, and even in cases of planned pregnancies, circumstances can change. The choice to have an abortion is deeply personal and can't be reduced to convenience. Women facing abusive partners, financial instability, or unforeseen health complications deserve the right to make decisions about their own bodies. Forcing them to endure pregnancy in these situations only leads to suffering for both the mother and child.
Rather than viewing pregnancy as a burden, we should promote the idea that every life has value, including the unborn. Society should focus on empowering women with better healthcare, maternity leave, and social services so they don't feel abortion is their only option. We must protect the rights of the unborn who have no voice and create a culture where life is cherished from conception until natural death.
Empowering women also means trusting them to make decisions about their bodies. Legal access to abortion is part of that empowerment. Without it, women are left vulnerable to unsafe, back-alley procedures that jeopardize their lives. Abortion is a medical procedure, and it must remain legal to ensure it is regulated and safe. The decision to terminate a pregnancy is deeply personal, and each woman's situation should be respected, rather than controlled by laws.
Making abortion illegal doesn't mean forcing women into dangerous alternatives. It means society must step up to provide resources that make abortion unnecessary. Abortion advocates often focus on convenience, but the value of human life cannot be overridden by convenience. The law should reflect the protection of all lives, including the unborn, who deserve the same rights to life as those who are already born.
Access to safe abortion has proven to reduce maternal mortality rates, especially in developing countries. Making abortion illegal doesn't eliminate the demand, it only makes it more dangerous. While it's ideal to have strong social support systems, we can't ignore the realities of life, where those systems often fail. In those cases, a woman's right to make the best decision for herself is paramount, and that decision should be supported by the law.
The argument for safety does not erase the fact that abortion still ends a human life. No matter how safe it is for the mother, the procedure is fatal for the unborn child. Instead of promoting abortion as a solution, the focus should be on improving maternal health and making sure every child has a chance at life. Abortion should not be the answer to difficult situations, as there are better, life-affirming alternatives.
In the end, it comes down to individual freedom and autonomy. The government shouldn't have the right to dictate what a woman does with her body. Abortion should remain legal because it ensures that women have safe, accessible options when they face unplanned or unwanted pregnancies. A society that values freedom must allow individuals to make personal decisions, especially when it comes to health and reproduction.
All right, let's check in with our 10 independent AI judges who reviewed the arguments. Judge 1 noted that Model A focused on logical arguments about bodily autonomy and individual rights, while Judge 2 had a different take, stating that both models presented strong cases but didn't fully dismantle each other's arguments. Most of the judges agreed with Model A, crowning Model A as the winner. But what do you think? Who do you feel made the better case? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed the discussion, hit that subscribe button for more content like this, and stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching.